guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Isha and I hope कि आप सब लोग बहुत अच्छे से रह रहे हो घर पे, staying safe, staying happy and even learning very well. So yeah, let's get started. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Now we have to start something new, something great in our life. That is, we have to achieve something in our life. So yeah, let's get started today. So what we are going to see today is about cell organelles. That is, there are 4 to 5 cell organelles which are present in your NCERT textbook: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and many more. So today we are going to see ER and Golgi apparatus. So a quick review of yesterday's video. Previous video is about, we have seen what is cell wall made up of, differences between diffusion, osmosis, prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, what is cell made up of, and all sort of things. So yeah, let's get started. If you haven't seen my previous videos, or if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, so please do subscribe it, share, like, comment. How do you like my videos? If you want something else more, you can tell me. You can follow me on my Insta ID also. I'll mention it there in the below. So yeah, let's get started today. So the picture which you are seeing on the screen, it is a picture of a plant cell, as if there is a cell wall in it. So there are few cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole, plasma membrane, mitochondria, ribosomes, and all sort of things. So yeah, we'll see each and every cell organelle in detail, whatever is there and if any extra, I'll let you know. So what is cell organelle? Now this main definition of a cell organelle, it is a cellular component. The cellular component means what all components are present inside the cell, those are known as cellular components, and those cellular components are known as cell organelles. Now these cell organelles, they are enclosed by some membrane. Now they include two types of. They have both membrane bound organelles, or some are non-membrane bound organelles. They are enclosed by the membrane, but there are some membrane bound and non-membrane bound organelles. Now as they all are different, each and every cell organelle has a different function, different performance, each and everything is different about them. So they have a distinct structure and function to perform to a cell. Now these few cell organelles, they function by providing shape and support. There are few organelles which provide a shape and support to the cell, whereas there are some cell organelles which are involved in the locomotion and reproduction. We'll see what are those in the next videos. So yeah, in prokaryotic, there is an absence of defined nucleus region, but the membrane bound cell organelles are also absent in it. The cell organelles which are present in it, they have the membrane bound cell organelles are absent in it. But in eukaryotic, the cells have nuclear membrane as well as the membrane enclosed organelles. In prokaryotic, the cell organelles, they don't have membrane bound, whereas in eukaryote, the cell organelles, they are enclosed. The membrane enclosed organelles are present in it. Now there are various cell organelles based on the presence and absence of cell membrane, or the membrane enclosed within the organelles. Those are the organelles without membrane. There are few organelles which they don't have membrane, that is the cell wall, ribosomes, and cytoskeleton. Now these are present in prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. Next comes the single membrane, which the organelles which have a single membrane, single covering, those are known as vacuole, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. Now these are present only in eukaryotic cells. The double membrane, the organelles which have double membrane around them, the first one is nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, and these all are present in eukaryotic cell. So the organelles without membrane, they are cell wall, ribosomes, and cytoskeleton. The single membrane present in an organelle, that is vacuole, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, and the double membrane is nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast. So yeah, now there are various cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, and plastids, which are present in the NCERT textbook. But beyond these also we are going to see two or three. Now these all are important. Why? Because they carry out some very crucial function structure in a cell. So these are very important to grow a cell, to develop a cell. So these are very crucial. They play a very crucial function in the cells. So yeah, this is a picture of a cell in which you can see all the type of cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, centrioles, plasma membrane, two types of endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth, cytoskeleton is present, Golgi apparatus is there. So yeah, let's get started today. So we are going to study two, that is endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. So the endoplasmic reticulum, now ER, it is short form ER, it is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. Now it looks like long tubules or a long bag, that is vessels. Now these ER, they have a very large number of network which is present. The structure of ER is very similar to the plasma membrane. Now these network of membrane, they look like tubes or they look like sheets present in it. They are attached to Golgi apparatus. Even we'll see that. Now there are two types of ER. That is, the first one is rough endoplasmic reticulum and the second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So yeah, now rough endoplasmic reticulum, by the word we can say that it looks rough under a microscope because you can see the picture here. So because it has the particles called ribosomes. Now these ribosomes are rough. These ribosomes are attached to its surface. Now these ribosomes are all they are present in active cells. They are active cells and the size are the site of protein synthesis manufacturer. So the ribosomes which are present in all active cells are the sites of protein synthesis and manufacturer. Now the manufactured proteins are then sent to various places in the cell depending on the need using the ER. Now whatever the manufactured cells are there in the various places in cell depending on the need using the ER. So you can see the picture of rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the next comes is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. By the name you can say it helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. Now these are very important for cell function. Now some of the proteins and lipids are there which help in building the cell membrane. Now this process of building a cell membrane through proteins and lipids, this is known as membrane biogenesis. Now there are some proteins and lipids that functions as enzymes and hormones to smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now this ER varies greatly in their appearance in different cells. So there is always there is a very different appearance in different cells. It always forms a network system. It is always connected. It always forms a network system. Now the functions are the main. Now one function of ER is to serve as channels for the transport materials between the various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. So there are the transport of materials, few materials or substances which go through in and come out. Now this is the region of the cytoplasm, around the cytoplasm, or you can say between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. It functions this one, and it also functions as a cytoplasmic framework which is providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell which is performing. Now it also performs intracellular transporting system. Now intracellular transporting system, it is similar as the function 1 we have mentioned, that it is various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Now there is one example that in liver cells of a group of animals which are vertebrates, they have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. There it plays a very crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. This is one of the example of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So yeah, I think the picture is not much clear, but yeah, I can explain you. There is a rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The picture which you are seeing in a circle form, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, where there are many of the cristae which is present there. That is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can even see the ribosomes which are present on it, and yeah. So yeah, next is about Golgi apparatus. Now, as the name is very nice, the Golgi apparatus, it was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. He has discovered the Golgi apparatus, which has been found in cell. Now, this consists of a membrane bound. It is a set of membrane bound or fluid filled vessels, vacuoles, and flattened cristae is present in it. It almost occurs in all the eukaryotic cells, but yeah, it is absent in prokaryotic cells. Now, these membranes often have connection with membranes of ER. As I told you before, the membranes of ER and Golgi apparatus, they are connected, and therefore they constitute the another portion of a cell, a complex cellular membrane system. So yeah, this is an important point you have to remember. Even who has discovered the Golgi apparatus, Camillo Golgi, this is also very important. It consists of a set of membrane bounded fluid filled vessels, vacuoles, and flattened cristae, and it is present in eukaryotic and absent in prokaryotic. So yeah. Now, what are the functions of Golgi apparatus? Now, it includes the storage and modification of the cell, and it acts as a packaging of products in vessels. That is why the Golgi apparatus is also known as packaging and dispatching unit of cell, as it includes the storage, the modification is also being there, and the packaging of products and dispatching of it is there in that cell. So it is known as packaging and dispatching unit of cell. Now, these are involved in the synthesis of a cell wall, plasma membrane, and lysosomes. Now, sometimes these complex sugars may be made from simple sugars in the Golgi apparatus. Now, complex sugars which are being made simple, the complex sugars which are being made simple in the Golgi apparatus. Now, this Golgi apparatus, it is involved in the formation of cell plate during the cell division. Now, this cell division, this is a very vast criteria, this is a very vast topic. Even this is there in the book. We are going to see it in the last because it is very vast and we have to study it very well in it. So yeah. Next, the picture which you are seeing on the screen is about a Golgi apparatus. It looks similarly to this in the cell. We have cristae in it, newly forming vessel, incoming transport lumen, all sorts of things here. Right. So, the Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of lysosomes. Now, what are these lysosomes? Where it is found? How it works? These all things we are going to see in the next video. So, you can see the picture. You can tell me now in the comment section below where is lysosome found and in which cell, and yeah, what are the functions it has. So please do let me in the comment section below. I'll let you know the answer in the next video. So this picture is, I think, a little very basic picture which doesn't have a lot of information, but yeah, a clear information what we should know is there in it. So yeah, in the next video we are going to see about lysosomes, or next, that is plastids, we are going to see. So yeah, thank you for now, and please do subscribe, share, like, comment, and if you are having a great day, so have a great day. Yeah, thank you.